For everything, there is a first time, isn't it? This was our first time at NYNOW Trade Show, one of the largest prestigious event in New York City. This was a huge feat for Pure Mitti as a business, myself as an entrepreneur, and for us as a family unit to put this together. With absolutely zero expectations, I walked in, started painting my booth with the pastel peachy color, drilled our wooden shelves. Thank God he knows carpentry. And voila, I'm happy with the way it turned out. Pure Mitti, a sustainable brand helping our community move to a more pure, natural living through our products, which is infused with the ancient tradition of Ayurveda. We are a palm oil-free, plastic-free, fragrance oil-free, SLS-free brand, but rooted in the ancient wisdom. I work with all the rural farmers who live close to the riverbeds and mountain ranges to procure the most authentic fresh herbs for our products, and they are locally made in New Jersey. Every product here has a purpose. Every ingredient we choose has a purpose beyond just cleansing and moisturizing. Our ingredients have been carefully selected so it helps you with your skin, hair and cleansing in the most natural and effective way, but also indirectly helps you with your body and mind to reach a balanced state. I'll talk about each of the products in depth in the next video. This is our skincare line. Our natural skincare line carries bath and body bars, balms and creams. Our natural hair line is just freshly ground herbs composed in a way that is most effective for lush hair growth. We have natural shampoo, conditioner, natural hair wash, natural hair mask. Our natural cleaning line, we've also developed dish bars out of shikai, tamarind and soap berries that makes you enjoy doing your dishes. We also have a natural lifestyle line for people to move to a more plastic-free lifestyle, which are manufactured by the rural farmers in southern India. One Pure Mitti multi-pocket bags replaces about 2,500 to 3,000 single-use plastic bags or single-use plastic liners that you would use in a year by one person. Here it is. This is our brand. We've had fantastic conversations, met great people and buyers. And guess what? We got nominated to be the NYNOW Market Picks. What a show. Great to be part of the NYNOW Rising Artisans.